Happy morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope that you enjoyed your vacation. Now, back to studies. So, what are we going to do? We will learn a lot about English together. So, let us start our class. Today, we will be learning about Poem 1. And the name of the poem is Butterfly Laughter by Catherine Mansfield. Okay, so today we will be starting part 1 of our poem 1. Let us start. Stanza 1. What do we have? In the middle of our porridge plates, there was a blue butterfly painted. And each morning we tried who should reach the butterfly first. Then the grandmother said, "Do not eat the poor butterfly that made us laugh." So, in this poem, there are some children and they have a plate of porridge with them. Porridge is like dalia, okay? And उनकी जो ये plate है, उस plate पर क्या printed है? There is a blue butterfly, a very beautiful blue butterfly painted on their porridge plate. And each morning they used to eat their porridge quickly so that they can see the blue butterfly. Okay, so as and when they used to eat fast so that they can reach the blue butterfly, their grandmother, she used to say, "Do not eat the poor butterfly." उनकी grandmother उनके साथ मजाक करती थी कि अगर आप जल्दी जल्दी खाओगे तो हो सकता है कि आप ब्लू बटरफ्लाई को भी खा लो. सो टेक केयर दैट यू आर नॉट ईटिंग दैट ब्लू बटरफ्लाई. एंड उस जोक से all the children used to laugh. Let us see the new words of this stanza. Porridge. What is porridge? A type of soft, thick, white food made by boiling oats in milk or water. Milk या फिर water में आप oats को boil करो तो वो एक soft and thick white food में convert हो जाता है. And that is known as porridge. Is it clear? Let us move on to stanza number 2. Always she said it, and always it started us laughing. So, every day when the children used to have their porridge, grandmother वो रोज उनके साथ ये मजाक करती थी that do not eat the poor butterfly. And जब भी grandmother उनके साथ ये मजाक करती थी, it made the children laugh. It seemed such a sweet little joke. वो बहुत ही प्यारा सा जोक लगता था उन्हें. I was certain. The child was certain means he was very sure that one fine morning the butterfly would fly out from the plate, laughing the teeniest laugh in the world, and perch on the grandmother's lap. So, the child was certain that one fine morning the butterfly will fly and come out of the plate, and the butterfly will also giggle, it will also laugh, and then the butterfly will perch on grandmother's lap. Means the butterfly will sit on the grandmother's lap. Is it this poem very fun? Okay, now let us watch and learn the new words from stanza 2. So the new words are certain. Certain means sure. And then teeniest means smallest. कभी कभी हम लिप्स पे हाथ रख के गिगल करते हैं, right? Then perch means sit on something. To sit on something. And lap, the top part of legs that forms a flat surface when we sit down. In simple words, आप मम्मा पापा की गोदी में बैठते हो, right? Means you are sitting on your parents' lap. Is it clear? Now it's time for our questions. So in each and every video, we all will have question time so that we can revise the lesson or the poem. Our question number 1 is, what is the color of the butterfly? Do you remember? Answer the question. Where was the butterfly painted? The little butterfly in the poem, where was it painted? Then we have question number 3. What were the children certain about? So dear children, watch this video carefully, go through the poem, practice it, recite it, okay? And answer these questions. As in when you complete your question time, do send me a photo shot. Okay dear children, I will see you next time in our next class where we will learn the recitation of this poem. Till then, do take care of your health. Bye dear children. God bless you all.